today we're going to draw Smurf Cat, but I want to do him as a zombie just because Halloween's coming up. So let's just kind of see how he turns out. So I think I'm going to have half his face be a skeleton. So if you do this kind of upside down heart, that's usually like a skeleton nose. So that's what I'm going to do for him. And then I'm going to just sketch out kind of a rough kind of skeleton face shape right underneath here. And let's put in like an eye socket. I kind of like the eye sockets to be kind of squared off. Looks a little more cool. Go like that. And then what I'm going to do is kind of just bring his skin like that, as if it's kind of shredded off his face. Just like that. That'll be cool. Okay, let's add in some teeth for his skeleton. That looks fine. Maybe some bottom teeth. Should we give him a gap? Like a broken tooth there? Might as well. Like that. And then I'll just come straight over. There, that's a good start. All right, now on this other side, I think I'm going to do his other eye. But since he still is going to have skin over here, I'm going to do kind of these wrinkles. And I think what I'll do is I'm going to have his eye just hanging out of his socket. I think that'll be fun. Let's go right there, and maybe I'll just have it hanging straight down right out the middle. So I'll just do a little curve there, and then come straight down. Same on this side. And we'll just kind of make it have this like hanging thread thing. All right, maybe just some lines there, little pupil there, and I can fill that in a little darker. I think he's gonna look cool. I like Halloween. It's actually my birthday is on Halloween, and it's my favorite time to come up with new things to draw, just because you can kind of get away with some weirder stuff, and it's just cool. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of his head. Let's come up like that. And since he's a zombie, we got to have his brains. So I'll give him a little bit of a gap. And then I'm going to do just kind of these like cloud shapes. Just like that for his brain. Doesn't have to be super realistic, but I like that. All right, now let's add his hat. So his hat, I'll just do the regular one, kind of create that shape. And a little point up there on the top. Yeah, that's good. All right, we're getting there. I'm going to move down to his neck. And let's just give him a little thin neck that comes down and around for his shoulders, his arms. Let's see. Now over here for his chest, let's just give him another gap. And I'm going to do these little ribs. And I'm going to do the ribs just by leaving a space that's white like that. And the black will just be like that. I think we'll call that good. I'm kind of running out of room. All right, there's my basic sketch. Let's add in some details. So I think I'm going to first just add some line shading like that. Maybe a little down there. Let's go ahead and underneath his head, I'm going to do a little bit of shading there. Let's add his strap. I don't really know what pattern I was going to go for, but that'll work just fine. Okay, now let's go to his hat. And I'm going to put in kind of some darker shadows right here at where the brim kind of goes behind the head. And then maybe just some lighter ones that go all the way around. Just kind of like that. Yeah, that's cool. All right, now I think let's add in some lines that kind of show he's got, you know, some fur. Yeah. I think that'll be good. I think I'm about ready to give him some color. Just add a few fur lines. I'm going to add in just some curly ones that come off as kind of like he's disheveled. And then last, up here on the hat, let's just add in a few kind of for texture. That'll be good. All right, now let's start adding some color. And I think we're pretty much done. There's my zombified Smurf cat. I hope you guys have an awesome Halloween. If you're not back before then, I'm going to put some more Halloween style videos out. So make sure you come hang out, draw with me. And until the next video, I will see you guys. Hopefully I will see you guys at the next video, and we can maybe zombify a few more characters. So thanks again for hanging out, and I'll see you guys next time.